The new approach we've adopted in terms of health and safety projects is called High Performance Engagement, or HPE. And it's really about collaboration. It's what we believe at Air New Zealand, that we need to collaborate with our employees to get the best outcomes. Our reps have always been really enthusiastic about wanting to make a difference. And this is where we hope we can actually channel that enthusiasm in the right way to get the results.
My role as a health and safety rep at Air New Zealand is all about working collaboratively with my peers and managers. Air New Zealand's a massive organisation, so it's really important that we all work together because we have a common interest.
The thing to realise with HPE, there's three parts to it, and the first really is about building the relationship. And I can't emphasise enough the importance of taking time to build that relationship, be that with the union partners or with the workers who are closest to those risks. That's really important to lay that foundation. The second part then is understanding a shared agenda. So what that means is understanding each other's issues, because they will be very different from both sides of the fence, but then coming to an agreement on what those common issues are. And then finally having a plan to actually execute, and of course execution itself, because without action then we don't actually improve anything. So that's really the three parts of that cycle. One of the key parts to success for us was actually taking time out and bringing those reps out of their day-to-day business. We were able to take ourselves out of the environment, to reflect on what worked well, to reflect on what we could actually do better, and then come up with that shared agenda of actions that we need to take to improve the effectiveness of our health and safety reps. So the outcomes of that process are really what you see here today. So where we see our reps actually owning the agenda of this conference, for example, whereas in years gone by, it would be me and my team that would be running it. So this is now for them, by them, and they're now able to educate their colleagues on the way forward and some of the tools and some of the initiatives that they're going to see coming.
At the Health and Safety Forum here at Air New Zealand, we've brought our teams together to celebrate the really great work that they do. We decided to design our forum format so that we would have booths that are available for the health and safety reps to really learn about the tools that we've been working on over the last couple of months. These tools will actually help our health and safety reps to have a consistent approach across the business and be able to provide them with some really great tools to keep in contact, build a community, as well as to support the health and safety culture at Air New Zealand.
Today is all about reinvigorating health and safety reps across Air New Zealand. It was put forward by the reps, for the reps, and as a way of sharing information, networking, collaborating, reinvigorating the message and getting it out there to everyone else.
We can have as many policies and procedures and processes as we like, and we can have leadership and management, which is all important things, but actually it's the people that are going to change the culture. It's those 11,800 Air New Zealanders that are working day in, day out, closest to those risks that are actually going to drive the change. And HPE just lends itself to providing a connection for us to do that.